If you want to add TV shows to your Facebook profile, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the easiest way to open your profile, find the Interests section, and add your favorite TV programs step by step. This is a simple update, but it's a great way to personalize your Facebook profile and make it more reflective of the shows you actually enjoy. If this video helps, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tutorials just like this. All right, let's jump in. First, open Facebook in your browser and make sure you're signed in to the correct account. Once Facebook loads, look to the top area of the page and click your profile icon. This will take you directly to your profile page, where you can edit your personal details and interests. If you have more than one profile or page, make sure you're on the one you want to update. Now that you're on your profile page, look for the Edit option. On some layouts, this may appear as Edit Profile or a similar button near your profile information. Click that to open your profile settings. This is where Facebook lets you change different parts of your profile, including your bio, featured content, and interests. Next, scroll through the available options until you find Interests. Click on Interests to open that section. Facebook uses this area to let you add things you like, including music, movies, sports, and TV shows. Once you're inside the Interests area, look for TV programs and click it. This is the category you'll use to add the shows you want displayed on your profile. After that, use the search box to type the name of the TV show you want to add. Facebook will start showing matching results as you type. When you see the correct show, click on it to select it. If there are multiple versions or pages with similar names, choose the one that matches the exact show you want. Once the show is selected, take a moment to confirm that it appears correctly in your TV programs list. This helps make sure you've added the right one before saving. When everything looks good, click Save to apply the changes to your profile. After saving, the TV show should now be added to your Facebook interests. And that's it. You've now added a TV show to your Facebook profile in just a few simple steps. You can repeat the same process anytime you want to add more shows or update your interests. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more quick Facebook how-to videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.